Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just another Sneha, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a face mask which I use for instant glow. For making the face mask you need 1 tablespoon orange peel powder, then we'll add 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, and lastly we'll add rose water. Make a thick paste. This face mask is suitable for all skin types, but still to be on the safer side I would recommend a patch test. Make sure your face is super clean before applying the mask. Orange peel powder has a lot of benefits for your skin. Orange peel powder is rich in vitamin C. This not only helps in making the skin brighter but also renders a youthful glow to it. It unclogs your pores, treats pimples and acne, removes scars, fights against aging, and also reduces inflammation. Sandalwood powder exfoliates the skin, removes blemishes, enhances brightness, reduces wrinkles and signs of aging, prevents and cures pimples. Sandalwood powder and orange peel powder are easily available in the market. You can also order them from Amazon. I'm not specifying brands because this is not a sponsored video. Lastly, we'll talk about the benefits of rose water. Rose water hydrates and moisturizes the skin. It helps in maintaining skin's pH balance and controls excess oil. It also helps to strengthen skin cells, regenerate skin tissues. It slows down aging process and adds glow to the skin. For best results, you can use this face pack 2 to 3 times a week. After applying the mask, let it sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the mask dries out, wash your face with lukewarm water. As you can see, my skin looks really good after washing off the mask. So yeah, that's all for today. If you liked the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.